get Netflix subtitles in another language, you can either change the subtitle language for a specific show or movie while it's playing, or set a default subtitle language for your entire Netflix profile. While playing the content, click on the language icon in the bottom right corner to see available languages and select your desired subtitle option. And to select default, go to your account page, tap on Manage Your Profiles, and select your profile, and then choose your preferred audio and subtitle languages. And during playback, which is temporary, this changes the subtitles for the current show or movie only. Start playing a movie or a TV show and then click on the language control icon, which looks like a dialog bubble or speech bubble. Select your desired subtitle language. From the list that appears under the subtitles heading, click away from the menu to close it, and the subtitles will appear in your chosen language. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.